Inc. And the stock today went down 5.9% and trading at $2.04. Previously, the stock closed at $2.18, and today the stock opened at $2.55. However, in the course of today's trading, the stock has gone anywhere from $2.22 all the way up to $2.65. The 52-week range for BOXD Inc. is from $1.27 all the way up to $17.05. Volume today is extremely high at 40 million shares that have exchanged hands compared to an average volume of 2.7 million shares. The market capitalization of BOXD is now at $157 million. BOXD Inc. operates as an e-commerce retailer and an e-commerce enabler in the continental United States. The company, through its e-commerce retail service, provides branded and private labeled bulk pantry consumables such as paper products, snacks, beverages, cleaning supplies, etc. BOXD Inc. was founded in 2013 and is headquartered in New York, New York. And the company has 250 full-time employees. If we stretch out to the past 5 days, guys, you can see how BOXD has risen from about $1.29 on June 17th to $2.04 today. Prior to today, you guys can see how BOXD rose spectacularly, and also it's been amassing a lot of volume over the past 2 or 3 trading sessions. So we definitely think that there's some momentum with this stock, but just in what direction, it's very difficult to tell. Right now, the stock seems to be trading almost sideways, but if you look at the S&P 500, the Dow 30, Nasdaq, Russell 2000, all of those indexes, they are just very mitigated today, with the S&P 500 just breaking above zero. It's actually dropping. It's minus 0.01%. The Dow 30 is at minus 0.36%. Nasdaq is barely up at half a percentage point above, and Russell 2000 is also up about half a percentage point. Crude oil has dropped a bit and is now at $105.22, representing a drop of almost a percentage point. We still have close to 4 hours before the close of market, and I will jump off here to allow you guys to put in some of your trades. But some of these companies that we saw and stocks that we saw that amassed some very impressive gains at the beginning of this week, they seem to be losing steam, and I think that at the end of today's trading session, or in the golden hour just before the closing bell, if these stocks remain very strongly in the negative, I think that represents a signal to jump in, get some of the stocks, and then hopefully tomorrow you will see an uptick. The market is still very, very hot, and people are expecting that after the Fed's last meeting, when they raised the interest rate to about 3/4 of a percentage point, markets and interest rates, availability of liquidity will slow down, and you will see the economy, start getting back into the territory that the Biden administration and the Federal Reserve Bank want. But for right now, I would advise that you use caution. Most of these stocks you see dropping, by multiple digits, they are actually in bargain territory right now, but it's difficult to tell how much lower the stocks will drop. But if you think that you find something you like, I would advise that you start opening up a position in that equity, and you do so cautiously and slowly. That way, in case things reverse, you don't lose out on what would have been a very great buying opportunity. But we still have a few months to go before the midterm elections in November, and between now and then, a lot of things are going to happen, because the Biden administration will do their utmost to make sure that Americans, vote Democrat at the midterms. I will jump off here. I will catch you guys on the next video. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button on your way out, and keep the numbers growing. That is what keeps us out here, and it's the greatest way you can say thank you to the channel. Bye for now.